Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your WhatsApp call not working. This is a very common problem, and you can simply go ahead and fix it with a couple of these troubleshooting steps. The first thing you want to do is ensure that you have a good internet connection. In order to go ahead and do so, you can simply go ahead and try to switch between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, and it could go ahead and fix it. If you have any VPNs turned on, however, make sure that you turn it off because it does affect it as well. You can also turn on and turn off your airplane mode on and off in order to just give it a quick refresh. The other thing you want to do is head into your settings, head into general, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset, click on reset and reset network settings. This also does help with it. If all of these still don't help, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your WhatsApp or App Store and simply go to WhatsApp on the search bar, and simply click on WhatsApp, and there's going to be a little update button. If there is going to be any updates available, simply go ahead and update your WhatsApp to the nearest version. And the final thing you want to do is simply go ahead and restart your mobile device. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.